Hey, beautiful ladies, welcome back to Fashionista's Muse, your go-to place for all things fashion, style, and confidence. Today, we're talking about how to feel sexy and stylish no matter your age. You don't have to hide your curves or shy away from bold looks. Age is just a number, and it's all about embracing your natural beauty with chic and flattering outfits. So, let's dive into 5 sexy dressing ideas for older women that will have you feeling fabulous. Number 1. Tailored jumpsuit. First up, the tailored jumpsuit. A jumpsuit can be such a game changer. It's sleek, chic, and fits like a glove. Choose one that cinches at the waist to highlight your curves, and make sure it's well fitted. A black or deep navy color is always elegant, and with the right accessories, like a bold clutch or a long necklace, you'll turn heads wherever you go. Plus, it's easy to wear, and you won't have to worry about finding the perfect matching pieces. 2. Fitted midi dress. Next, let's talk about the fitted midi dress. This is a timeless piece that will never go out of style. A midi dress that fits your body just right can show off your figure without feeling too tight. Look for dresses with a flattering neckline, like a V-neck or an off-the-shoulder design. The beauty of a midi dress is its versatility. You can dress it up for a special evening or keep it casual for a day out. Pair it with a classic heel or ankle boots, and you're all set. 3. Off-the-shoulder top and high-waisted pants. If you want to add a little flirty charm, try an off-the-shoulder top paired with high-waisted pants. This look is perfect because it shows off your collarbones and shoulders, which is always sexy. The high-waisted pants create a smooth line and elongate your legs, giving you a more flattering shape. This combo is both feminine and powerful. Wear it with confidence, and watch how everyone notices your effortless style. 4. Silk blouse and leather skirt. Another sexy and stylish look is a silk blouse paired with a leather skirt. The softness of the silk contrasts beautifully with the boldness of the leather, creating an outfit that's both elegant and edgy. Choose a simple, flowy silk blouse in a neutral tone or a jewel color, and tuck it into a fitted leather skirt. Whether it's pencil style or A-line, this outfit is great for a night out or a sophisticated event. Keep the accessories minimal, just a sleek pair of earrings and a stylish handbag. 5. Lace or sheer accents. Last but definitely not least, we have lace or sheer accents. Lace and sheer fabrics are a subtle yet sexy way to add some elegance to your outfit. Look for tops or dresses that have lace details along the neckline, sleeves, or even as a full accent. Sheer panels or lace overlays can give you that sultry vibe without revealing too much. It's the perfect balance between elegant and sexy, and it'll make you feel stunning wherever you wear it. And there you have it, 5 sexy dressing ideas for older women that are all about embracing your beauty, confidence, and style. Remember, fashion isn't about age, it's about how you feel in what you wear. So whether you're rocking a tailored jumpsuit or a delicate lace blouse, own it with confidence and grace. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments which sexy, stylish look you're most excited to try. Stay fabulous, and we'll see you next time on Fashionista's Muse.